In today's video, we will replace the tail light for 2018 Toyota Highlander. First, we will open the trunk. I will be using a plastic trim remover tool to take out this plastic cover. First, I will pull it from the top. Then I will pull it from the bottom. There we got the plastic cover taken out. Behind the plastic cover, there are two 10mm screws that needs to be taken out. Here I'm using an impact gun with a 10mm nut setter, but you can also use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter if you want. Both the screws are taken out. Now from the quarter panel side, I will push the tail light outwards until it comes out completely. Once the tail light is taken out, there's that tail light from behind. First, we will take out the plug of the bulb. All we have to do is just turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it out. Once we take out this plug, now we will take out this bracket right there. We'll be using the plastic trim remover tool to push this bracket outwards. There's that bracket pulled out. And now there's that final plug that we need to take out. You cannot turn it like you did this. So instead what you would do, you'd have to be a little careful while doing this because you don't want to lose the tail light while doing this. So you have to press and hold the tab right there in the middle and then push the plug outwards. So again, just to repeat the process on how to push it outwards, you press and hold the tab from here. Like in my case, I was using this tool. That's how I was keep pushing it. And while pressing and holding it, we pull it outwards to take it out. So there we ended up taking out the tail light completely. Now in case if you want to install the new tail light or the same tail light back to where it was, what you do is you make sure this end of the tail light is slided in to this bracket right there towards the quarter panel side. Now we will put back all the plugs one by one. The way it works is we install this first and then we turn it until it completely goes in. Now once the plug is completely in, only then we turn it clockwise so that the plug is installed firm and strong. Just like that, and it will not come out. And this is the other plug that we need to install. It's a straightforward plug. We just install and push it to a point until we hear a clicking sound. Both the plugs are installed. Now we also installed the bracket that we took out earlier in the process. All you need to do is just push this bracket right there and that'll be it. Just one other thing to notice, this edge coming out right there. There's also a hole right here, so make sure this edge is going towards that hole. And of course, this bracket right there, you'll be aligning it with this spot right there. Now we will go ahead and install the tail light to its place. And once the tail light is installed properly, only then we will put back both the screws. This time I will tighten them with a socket wrench and a 10mm socket because tightening with the gun sometimes may end up breaking the bracket that is inside. Once both the screws are tight enough, now we will go ahead and put back that plastic cover. Notice the side where it has two tabs coming out, that side has to go on the top part, and the side that only has one tab needs to go at the bottom. While putting the plastic cover, just make sure you push it to a point until you hear a clicking sound. With that, we are done with the replacement of the tail light. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.